Hi guys, I'm Prabhakaran. Welcome to Innovative Codes Academy. In this video, we'll learn about two techniques: how to convert image file to PDF file and how to convert Word file to PDF file. It's very simple and easy. Let's start the section. First, I will convert image file to PDF file. I will select the three image. Click on write. A small pop-up interface open. Click on print and pop-up interface open. I hope you will see the printer text box. Click on the drop down list below the printer text box. Click on Microsoft Print to PDF file. Then click on the print. After wait a couple of minutes, image is converted into PDF file. After completion, one pop-up interface open. Save the PDF file successfully. Convert image file to PDF file. Then we learn about how to convert Word file to PDF file. Select the Word file, click on write, pop-up interface open, click on print. Another pop-up interface open. Save the PDF file. Save the PDF file successfully. Convert Word file to PDF file. Thank you for watching video. Do you want to see more video? Click on subscribe button and bell icon. I upload 2 videos in a week about some technology or learning tutorials. Bye.